Oh my God, look at that. Oh, he's just on. Jesus, Tom, stop talking. Get him in the net. Get him in the net. What do you reckon? New experiment. Mackies are out here. Spanish Makerale. I've been trotting them out for the last half hour. And I forgot to take off the plastic cover on the hook. Oh. There you go. That's how you catch fish, not with the hook on cover. Anyway. Right, so that should do me. We're out here at Fremantle again. Welcome back, by the way. Very hot day today. They predict 40 degrees, easterly winds. Very calm waters at the moment, and back here again on the ocean. Haven't been here for a couple of weeks. Let's see how we do it. I'm not going to wait it up because we're not really drifting too much. Really warm day today. Make sure I've got enough fluids on board because you don't want to get dehydrated. I just had one and he wasn't quite still on the hook, so I'm not in the right spot. And being calm, you really need to work the jigs, lift them up. And as it sinks like that, that's usually when you get the strike, because I come up from behind it and you grab onto it. So after losing 3, I managed to hook another one up. And hopefully it's going to come on the boat. There we go. Nice. I mean, I was getting desperate. I had 3 foul hookups. And this one here, definitely got to make a difference. So hopefully there's a few more. Oh, bugger. I hope when they grab you, I got scared. Lovely. That's a nice one. Can't complain with that. Yeah. Oh, hang on. Hang on. Oh, I just threw that in overboard, and this one he must have followed it. Great. That's great. He's not that big. Put him in the net. Nice! Lovely! How about that? How about that? 2 in succession. Fantastic. Right, how's that for hookup? It's not that big, but it's going to come to the party soon. Alright, there you go. Really happy. It is very slow, it's windy. Last 3 before, I didn't lose them, I just missed the hookups. And that one there was just great. Textbook hookup. Let the line, feel the tension, wait for the bugger to square you. Love it. Love it! It's been doing the damage. Love. Oh. Yeah. Okay, so I got another one. Very slow, but hey. He's a good one, he's a keeper. Not that big, he's just on. There we go. Another Calamari. Beautiful, absolutely lovely. They're so subtle on the bite. I was actually looking at the rod tip. I could just see it slowly bending. So it's a matter of deciding whether it's hitting the weed or it's actually Calamari, because it wasn't pulsating. So I picked up the rod and just bang, set the hook. And now I've set him into the esky. Okay, so I've got another one. He's a good decent size. Yeah, he's on the thing. Nicey. Red always comes up with the goods. Lovely. Massive strike on that one. Well, I'm trying to rig up my other rod. Oh, I think I missed it. I'll get him with this one. Okay. You want to play with me? Come on, I'll play with you. Say hello to my little friend. The things you do when you're on the boat solo. Solid one. Nice one. I'll get it on board safely. Thank you. Struggle. Oh, son of a bitch. Came off. So I must be a bit out of form today because I just lost that one and he felt really good. Anyway, it's a great time to get out here trying to chase. Oh, here you go. There you go. There you go. Thank you. This time I'm not going to let him go. Oh, it is not a bad size one. There you go. So now it's getting better. Didn't lose this one. You gotta love it. Right, so this is a nice hookup, this one. Yep, it's not too bad. Let's have a look here. Oh, lovely. I'm happy he got him on the white. They're not that big today, but you know, they're still keeping me busy. There you go. Oh, look at that. It's really wrapped around that one. You know, pure joy. As I said, he went for it twice, whether there was someone else that went for it. But you know, that's just great. It feels really good. I don't want to lose him. So oh, he's a stonker, this one. Woo! Oh, he's a beauty, this one. Yeah. Now we're talking. Oh my God, look at that. Oh, it's just on. Jesus, Dom. Stop talking. Get him in the net. Get him in the net. That is a beauty. Look at that. One of the most awesome. Ah. That is it. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Big one, that one. You cannot complain of that. Well, I'm not. Woohoo! Lovely. So the hand line's starting to get direction too. That's really good. Again, you guys know me, I love the hand line fishing. See if I can get it up the net. Alright, there you go, you can't complain. Can't complain. Oh, and this one here's off too. Oh, I thought I had a weight on this one. Okay. Again, hand line. It's going good. Going good. That's one thing up to the bike. Okay, I got the one. You see it? Okay, so the handline's doing good. I just lost one on the white jig. That's okay, because this one here just came right up behind it. And not a bad size. Not going to break any records, but still a good specimen. Beautiful. Ah, yeah, and I got one on this one here too. Oh, there you go. Redemption Plus. This one's a big one. I think the big ones are going for the white jigs, I don't know. But this one here is a great specimen. He's come up to the surface. half line. There you go. Lovely. Come on board, mate. That's it. Oh, look at that. Fantastic. Beautiful specimen on this one. Absolutely beautiful. On the white jig, mate. It's a great day today. Fused. The one on the hand line, the very expensive jig, the leader has got bitten off. So that's a bit of a worry, but it might be a good sign there's big fish out there. But still, there's 2 jigs I've lost today. I've lost my favourite line one, and now I've lost this red one. So it's been an expensive trip, but the calamari should make up for it. And that's what happens with calamari fishing. You lose them every now and then, and when you do lose them, it does hurt. Anyway, right, so it looks like it's time for me to definitely sign off because I've got my limit. It's 15 here in WA, and when you get these 2 big stonkers, I mean that's really 2 nice specimens, these ones. The others are all pretty good, and they'll make great eating. Anyway, I better sign off properly. You probably won't hear me because this wind is pretty blowing a fair bit. Anyway, we'll see you next time. Have a great time. Love it.